Good morning everybody, welcome to Tuesday's Maths. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of counting and we're also going to have a go at our number bonds again today. So let's begin with a little warm up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to practice our counting on to warm our brains up. Now there are 6 cards already in the packet and we're going to find out how many there are in total. So we're going to count on. So let's put 6 in our head because we already know there's 6 in there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many cards are there in the packet now? There are 12 altogether. Let's try another one. Okay, there are 8 cards this time in the packet. So we're going to put 8 in our head and we're going to find out how many there will be altogether. 8, counting on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many cards are there all together? There are 16 cards all together. Last one. Oh, there are 5 in the packet this time. So put 5 in your head. 5, and we're going to count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cards in the packet all together. Okay, now we're going to move on to doing our number bonds today. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn this little number bond rhyme. So what you need to do is use your fingers for this, and we're going to hold them all up, and this is how it goes. 5 and 5 add up to 10, 6 and 4 make it again. 7 and 3, they also do. Guess what? So do 8 and 2. 9 and 1, 10 and 0. Learn them all, you're a number bond hero. Shall we try it again? Right, get your hands. 5 and 5 add up to 10. 6 and 4 make it again. 7 and 3, they also do. Guess what? So do 8 and 2. 9 and 1, 10 and 0. Learn them all, you're a number bond hero. Okay, now today we're going to be thinking more about our number bonds by singing the song 10 in the Bed. Do you know that song? It goes like this. There were 10 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, and they all rolled over then. One fell out. Now let's check that we've got 10 teddies. So we're going to begin by putting them in the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many teddies are in the bed? There are 10 teddies all together. So I'm going to write the number 10 here at the top. Now, because there are 10 teddies in the bed, I'm going to use the red counters to show all the teddies that are in the bed. And we know that there are 10, so that's why I'm going to fill up my 10 frame with all of the red counters. The red counters will show us teddies in the bed. Now, let's sing the song. There were 10 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. So we've got 10 teddies in our bed, and if one teddy rolls over and falls out, how many teddies are left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 teddies in the bed, so I'm going to write the number 9. One teddy is out of the bed now, so I'm going to change it for a blue. Because there are 9 teddies in the bed, I've got 9 red counters to show that. And now I'm going to write on the number 1. Because if we have 9 in the bed and 1 out of the bed, how many teddies are there still altogether? there will still be 10 teddies all together. So 9 and 1 equals 10, doesn't it? Okay, I've got my 10 teddies all back in the bed now, and I've cleared my 10 frame. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some teddies out of the bed. Let's find out how many teddies are left in the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many teddies are in the bed? There are 6 teddies in the bed. So I'm going to use my red counters to show teddies in the bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 teddies in the bed. How many teddies have fallen out of the bed? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 teddies out of the bed. So I'm going to write the number 4. And I'm going to use my blue counters to show the teddies that are on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 6 teddies in the bed and 4 that have rolled out onto the floor. But how many teddies are there still all together? There are still 10 teddies all together. So I'm going to write the number 10. How do I know that there are 10 teddies all together? Well, I could count them, couldn't I? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how else do I know that there are 10 teddies all together? Because I've used my counters, haven't I? I can see that there are 6 in the bed with the red counters, and I can see that there are 4 teddies that have rolled out of the bed here as well. And all together that makes 10. We can put on our grown-up adding sign. 6 and 4 equals 10. Okay, let's do it one last time. Okay, I've started my board again. How many teddies are in the bed this time? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to get 4. I'm going to write 4, sorry. I'm going to write 4 first. And then I'm going to get 4 red counters to show that on my tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 teddies in the bed. How many teddies have fallen out of the bed? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you know that it was 6 without even counting them? How did you know that? Because it's a number bond, isn't it? We know that 4 and 6 makes 10, and we knew that there were 10 teddies altogether. But let's still write it on here. So let's write the number 6. And then I'm going to use my blue counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 6 equals how many? How many teddies are there altogether? Now we could count them all up again, couldn't we? We know that there are already 4 here, so let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write my number 10, just like that. And I can pop my add and my equal signs on as well. Let's read our number sentence. 4 and 6 equals 10. Okay, what I would like you to do today is to practice playing 10 in a bed, sing the song as you go, and you will need to get 10 teddies or 10 toys if you're lucky enough to have that many. But if you don't have that many, you could just draw some little pictures, cut them out, and they could be your little teddies in your bed. And then I want you to explore different ways of making 10. Some in the bed, some out of the bed. But the total will still be 10 each time, because that's what we're focusing on this week. We're thinking about our number bonds. Have a lovely day, everybody, and I'll see you again tomorrow.